The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new Bittorrent video. As always, we always do Bittorrent every single day. Right now, Bittorrent is up 8.4% or something like that. Almost the same as yesterday. Yesterday I did 9%. So there are no like crazy number like 30, 40%. So I am feeling people are always ask me, why isn't Bittorrent pumping, man? What's happening with Bittorrent? When it's gonna pump? It went 2 days in a row, 9%. You people are just greedy, you know. It's okay being greedy. I understand that, you know. Everybody wants 30%, but 2 days in a row with 9%, that's good. Like, when was the last time you had 2 green candles in a row? Not here, not here, not here, not here, not here, not here. You have to go all the way here to have 2 green candles in a row. I mean, be happy, you know. Bittorrent is doing good. It's good, nice, slowly rising up. You know, it has to break some resistance. It has to get above some moving average and stuff like that. It's getting there. It's getting there. So we're gonna talk about that. But before we do that, do you have the hard time picking out coins? Like, I know you picked maybe a Bittorrent, maybe you're interested in what Bittorrent is doing, but like other coins, are you FOMOing into a lot of coins? Is your picking the coins tactic going to the coin market cap site, looking what is pumped 20-30% and then FOMOing into that? If that's the case, you might actually need some help. And we got this daily altcoins video that we do every day on Patreon, where we rank the coins, so that might be of help. So you might want to check that out. Down the links in below. That's it. Let's get into charts. See what's actually happening with Bittorrent. Okay. So there is this resistance down here at 0.071 that's being broken right now very nicely. As you can see, yesterday we went all the way with the wick to that resistance, stopped there, went retraced a little bit down. We tested that resistance, today we are breaking it. And today we are actually going for the next one, that's at 0.079. That's over here, but the wick actually didn't go all the way there, so maybe later today we're gonna go all the way there with the wick and stuff like that. I don't know if we're gonna actually break it or not, but we might. I'm gonna show you actually why that might happen, but I think it's important to close this candle above certain levels, and then maybe next day it's gonna be a lot more volatile than 9%, maybe 30%, maybe. So the thing that this has to do is it has to break certain downtrend, because this was a downtrend, and downtrends have very defined resistance line, and this is a resistance line on this downtrend, something like this. I think let's see on the 4-hourly chart and see if we can draw this resistance line better. I like this wick down up here, and I like this wick down here, and it's the wick there. So I like this line a lot better, because also these wicks here hitting in from the bottom side. So this is very nice line. Then you can of course draw some other lines up here, something like this, where this is actually plausible or not. It depends, you know. Some lines are not that good lines, other lines are better lines, you know. They're all kind of lines. This looks like it's actually might actually work out better than the other one. So there is all kind of resistance. You can see that this line over here, these stops with these stops over here, actually corresponds actually to the exact point almost on the dollar where we actually are right now. Whether this line is actually correct or not, it depends. That's the thing with technical analysis. Like, there are a lot of resistance lines, a lot of support lines, but sometimes it's easier picking the one line over the other. Other times, like over here, it's a bit tricky. Now this actually breaks these two things over here, so maybe it's not the case. But if we can close above here, it's gonna be a very nice first step. And then if this also ends up being the way it is right now, that the wick goes all the way up here, that also confirms that this line is actually correct. This other one, we can just we are not close to there yet, so we're just gonna remove it, because once we start getting it, we're gonna be breaking all kinds of resistance on the way up. So I think this is actually the thing right now that's happening. So we are going upwards. We are breaking the 0.71 line. That's good. Now we are breaking this second resistance line, and we are getting well, we are not getting rejected. We are getting resisted on the diagonal line and the horizontal line at 79. That's been holding for a well long time. Actually, I think once we break and close above, once we go like over here and close up here, we will be breaking all of these three. We will be breaking one of the most important resistance line in Bittorrent history, and that's 0.079. So as soon as we are above 0.079, I think this is gonna be golden. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna go to the moons, maybe Mars. I don't know, moon or Mars, wherever you wanna go, you can go. Let's pop some moving average and see what's happening with the moving averages. This moving average on 4 hourly, we need the daily. Let's see the daily. Oh, actually, we were talking about the 4 hourly chart. I thought this was a daily chart. That's why I was saying, oh, you can see this is everything's happening today, man. Everything's happening today. So this is the daily chart. Okay, so on the daily chart we were hitting this resistance up here, and today we are breaking everything, breaking the 10, breaking this diagonal line, and there we go. This, you see this line over here, it's actually corresponding to the 20 moving average on the daily chart. So that's why we are stopping there. Ah, okay, I get it now, Okay, so basically however you turn it around, you want to get to that point. You want to get about 79. There is no way around it. There is no way around. You want to get into this area up here. You want to have this big body, this big body up in there. So you want to be something like this up here. Okay, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So we want to get above 0.79, but today is actually doing quite nicely. We're above the 10 moving average. We are testing the 20. We are above this line over here. So if we can just close like this above the 10 and the line over here, that's gonna be superb nice. I'm gonna say that we might actually pump tomorrow. If it is closed like over here, then the next candle up here tomorrow might actually pump real hard. I cannot draw candlesticks with this program. I cannot. That said, it looks very good. We are climbing the moving average. This is the first time we are above the 10 moving average since here. Or since here when we broke, because this was actually a rejection of the 10 moving average, because second candle is red and we just came right below it. So if this candle is red, the next candle is also, sorry, if this candle ends green today and next candle ends green as well above the moving average, that's confirmation that we are actually broken the 10 moving average. That is going to be super bullish for BitTorrent. So only thing you right now need is one more candle, green candle tomorrow. It doesn't matter if it's 9% or 3% or 30%. You need a green candle tomorrow. If that green candle is tomorrow, it closes above the 10 moving average over here. You golden, you good. You're good. You're doing nice. Anyways, let's see what's happening on the technicals over here. We've been entire day, all the videos we did today, altcoin videos we did today, they have almost the same MACD. This MACD is a little bit longer than usual, but it is converging. This is ending of the MACD, and soon we'll be getting. This is a bearish cross. We will be getting something called bullish cross. Blue line is crossing the signal line and going upwards. That's going to be very bullish, and I think that's going to correspond with the breaking of the 0.079 line. So this line over here is very important, because all the way here before, when we were, I don't know if you've been watching my BitTorrent videos, but all the way up here, first of all, it created this line over here, then it went down, held it, then it went down, right back up again. That's confirmation that this is holding down, right back up, and confirmation. It is only here that we actually broke the line on the downside, could not get back up again, and then started going down. Now we are going back up. We are going to be resisting the line, but once we are above the line again, it's like this part never happened, and we are golden and we are good. So all the thing you have to watch for right now is, let me just clean up a bit. All the thing you have to watch for right now is how we are going to move above the market. This is bullish. There is no other way to say than bullish, but we have to get through some resistances. But as soon as we are above this level up here, I mean, there are certain resistance on the way up. We're gonna talk about that in the next video and stuff like that. But first step is getting into this area right over here, and we can do that if you can pass this number over here. Very nice, very nice. That's it. Subscribe to the channel, man. I know you got room for one more subscription in your subscription feed, so no problem with that. If you wanna watch BitTorrent video, of course, if that's your thing, and if you wanna see other altcoins, you know, subscribe to the channel. On this channel we do a lot of technical analysis. If that's your thing, you know, also, you know, and we actually know how to do technical analysis, by the way. We actually know. I've been doing this for a long while now, and I think I figured it out. Also check out the Patreon and check out Telegram group. We got almost 2,000 members soon, so let's pump the Telegram numbers and get there. Links down below. See you around, guys. Bye bye.